Hi, my lovely angels. I hope you all are doing good. Today I'm showing you my highly requested overnight oats recipe, which is so yummy and healthy. For this recipe, I use 1/4 cup of oats, 1 tablespoon chia seeds, 1 scoop whey protein, and half a cup of milk. I'm also using a bowl and a spoon to make my oats in. You can also use a mason jar. First, we take the oats, we add the chia seeds, and then we add the whey powder. Then we mix in all the dry ingredients together, and then we add the milk and finally mix everything very well. You can also add flax seeds, dry fruits, and nuts of your choice. You can vary the quantity of ingredients if you want to. You can also add stevia for additional sweetness, but I don't need it as I love my chocolate flavored whey. Now we keep this in the fridge overnight. Enjoy it next morning as our delicious quick breakfast. This is a high protein and complex carbs breakfast with lots of fiber to keep you full for a very long time. It is great to have this post your morning workout. I hope this recipe was helpful for you. For more such healthy and easy recipes, do click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. Also click on the bell button so that you're notified of all my future videos. And also follow me on my Instagram to see my daily fitness updates and what I eat in a day every day. My Instagram profile is linked in the bottom description bar, and I shall see you soon. Until then, bye.